Hey, you made it back for episode 2. Welcome to the Prohibition Kitchen. I'm Anthony. Today, we're making another of my favorite cocktails, maybe literally down to genetics, whether you like it or not, the Aviation. The Aviation was like the original bartender's handshake. If you pulled up a stool at the bar and wanted to be one of the cool guys, you ordered an Aviation. So, without waffling on much longer, I already prepped the peel the way that I described previously. The hottest water you can handle in your hands, soap, and a scrub brush. I'm going to pull my peel now because I'll need it later before the lemon is... I'll need it later once the lemon will already be cut in half though. Oh, that's good enough. Need 3/4 of an ounce. Perfect. Half an ounce of Luxardo Maraschino. A 1/4 of an ounce, I'm using Rothman and Winter Crème de Violette. Make sure you use a very good quality Crème de Violette or you increase the chances that you're not going to like it. Meaning, there will be more deviation than just genetics. And 2 ounces of your favorite gin. Ford's is my well gin. It's a very good quality and affordable gin. I like to use it. Ice. This is the junk ice from making my own clear ice. The parts you cut away or chip off and don't use. Let that drain for a second while I grab the cup. Fresh from the freezer. Try to strain off all of the syrup from your cherry. You want to see that clean, almost black sphere at the bottom and not really like a pool of the syrup around it. The aforementioned lemon peel. Cheers. This is obviously my preferred construction of an Aviation. It differs from the original specs a bit. I think there's a full 2 ounces of gin instead of 1.5 ounces, if I remember correctly, and I'm using 1/4 ounce of a high quality Crème de Violette and not the 1 or 2 bar spoons called for. Unless that's just what people normally prefer. Sorry, I'm mixing up some of the specs there. But built this way, you definitely get the floral notes of the Violette. It has a almost herbal spiciness to it, very subtly, almost like mintiness, but it's the floral Violette coming through. Just the experience on your palate reminds me of mint, but it's not mint. And obviously the 1/2 ounce of Luxardo helps to dry it out a bit, as well as being most of the sugar, which is an interesting thing about Luxardo. The foraged gin is kind of along for the ride. The botanicals in the foraged gin, in this case, are certainly not overpowering. They're really what you want from any gin in a cocktail, from any gin cocktail, I should say, in that the botanicals are there and playing nice with the rest of the flavor notes in the drink. Overall, very delicious, which is why it's one of my favorites. Anyway, let me know how you make the Aviation, or if for some reason you were cursed with that gene and you don't like it. Some people taste toothpaste. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the Aviation, how you make yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe follow us on Patreon. Again, I think it exists now, depending on when this goes live. Anyway, thanks for watching.